Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to join the Windows Insider program for Windows 11. So that way you could have early builds of Windows and get the latest and greatest new features before they're out in the final version, so you could test it out for yourself. So this might be something you want to do on like an extra computer or virtual machine, because these versions generally aren't as stable as the final version. So that's up to you on what kind of computer you want to do it on. So to enable this, you just need to go to the Windows Insider program. You can do a search for it, or you could simply just go to your Windows settings and then to Windows Update. And then there's the Windows Insider program. Click on that. Now to do that, you're going to have to turn on diagnostic data. So you just click on this link, turn this guy on here, and then you could go back here. And then you could click on Get Started. So first you need to link an account to join the program. So I'm going to link the one that this is logged in with. So now here's where you pick your channel. So the dev channel for highly technical users. So this will be the one if you want to get the updates first, and then the beta channel, and then the release preview. So you just kind of read through these, which ones you want to use. So this one will be the less stable builds, but you get the newest stuff first, and so on and so on. So let's just click this. Click on Continue. Okay, so if you pick the dev channel, it's going to give you this kind of a warning saying you should back up your data and comfortable, clean installing of Windows. So, like I said, it's up to you which one of these you want to use. So if you use the dev channel, make sure it's not on your, main computer, because you might end up with some problems and some unstable builds. So I'm going to click Continue. Okay, review the agreements and continue. Now you got to restart the computer. But before we do that, I'm going to kind of show you. So if you go back to your system under Help or the settings, and you go to About, this is where you'll find your builds. So 22000, that's the current build. So you'll notice that if you're using the dev channel, you'll have higher build levels. I think it's up to like 22800 something right now. All right, so we're going to go ahead and reboot, and then we'll be back and see what we got here. Okay, so now that we're rebooted, let's go back to the settings and see what we got here. So now we get this warning saying we need to run Windows Update, so that way it'll start downloading updates for whatever channel we chose here. And right here you can come, if you want to change it to a different one, you could do this. And if you want to stop getting builds, you can unenroll it. All right, so like I said, you just open Windows Update and then check for updates, and then it should find the latest and greatest based on what channel you picked, and you could install it and reboot, and then you could start using the newer versions. So as you can see here, downloading the preview edition here, 22,598, and then that's how you know what you're getting. And so once you install that, you'll have an update, or an updated version, or newer version I should say, and then you can check out the new features. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.